Hello guys, and welcome to your first JavaScript tutorial. This is Abu from Sensational Software. Um, for those of you who don't really know what JavaScript is basically a programming language for that's used mostly, mainly for websites, to make them more interactive, like buttons and such. It's a really good programming language, and as and you know, thank you guys for being here because I'm just taking this opportunity to teach you guys, how cool JavaScript is. And so to start off, I'm using Text Wrangler as my editor, and that's because I'm on a Mac. If you're on Windows, I suggest you get Notepad++. And yeah, that's a really good editor for Windows. Um, I want to say for these tutorials though, I'm assuming that you guys already have knowledge in XHTML and CSS, because mostly XHTML, because you really need that to in order to follow what I'm doing in these JavaScript tutorials, because JavaScript and XHTML, they're related they're linked somehow. As you can see, I got my HTML tags, my head, and my body. So we're gonna start off by jumping into the body, and in order for the browser to know that we're about to use a script, we make a script tag like that, and we need to tell it what type of script we're gonna use, because there's just not one type of script like like JavaScript. So we say text slash JavaScript within those quotes, and then we close that tag, and now within these tags is where all our JavaScript code is gonna go. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna do a basic alert box. And to make an alert box in JavaScript, you just say alert, open parentheses, open quotes, and we wanna, since I'm trying to alert a string, I just say a string that's not within a variable. I'm just gonna say open quote and I love JavaScript. Then you close that off like that. Okay. So yeah, that's basically how you make an alert box in JavaScript. Now, oops, I just noticed I made an error here. There we go. Because I knew that strings like this in quotes are supposed to be pink, or yeah, I think that's pink. Anyway, yeah, so that's the benefit of using an editor, because it highlights the syntax for you and it makes life much easier. So I saved that as an index.html file. You need to save that as an .html file. It doesn't matter the name, because this is just an example that I'm doing. So I'm gonna open up my file that I made, index.html. There we go. As you can see, this is an alert box for JavaScript, and it says I love JavaScript. So yeah, that's, ladies and gentlemen, that's just how you make a simple alert box in JavaScript. And in my next tutorial, I'm gonna be get out of here. In my next tutorial, I'm gonna be going over more syntax in JavaScript, and it's gonna be fun, guys. Stick around and see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.